Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for vintage and collectibles business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to start for free. So you can get started first. You can sign up for free. So let's get started. Now it will take you to the dashboard, and here where you're gonna design and customize your site. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Okay. Set up your website and storefront. Click here. It will take you to the editor page. Here where you're gonna design and customize your site. So the first thing here, you have to go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you wanna use. So for my topic, for the vintage and collectibles, you can choose one of these, like the fashion, like the fashion topic, or the apparel. um, I think I'm gonna choose this one here for the vintage. So use this one. You can edit it as you like. Let's move on. So the first thing here, you have to change the header menu, the header and the menu. So change interior company name here. After this, you can manage this navigation menu. So you can delete this menu items here, and you can add your own menu items. Okay, so just click here and you can delete menu item from here. That's it. Now let's go back. Now let's move on to the design. So in the design of any section on your site, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business and your work. So make sure, don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, the color. Okay, all this simple stuff is important to make your site look attractive. So that's it. You can also add the frame outline to make it more attractive. I'm gonna use this background on the site logo. So that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the cover and the headline. You have to enter here the tagline. You can change the title. So for example, you can type vintage vintage store, for example. Okay, an attractive description that matches the title. For example, you can type to introduce your business to your customers. You can type welcome to our site for vintage and collectibles. Simply like this. Okay. After this, you can change the image. If this image matches with your business, you can keep it just like this, and you can change the shop, the primary action. Now let's move on to the design. So choose your favorite layout here. That's it. The title. Also, you can change like this. The color and the description, the same thing. So that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. So enter here the title and the subtitle and the description. So nothing special here. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the image and the tagline. So as I said, if this image matches with your business, you can keep it just like this. Enter the description here. The same thing with the description. If it matches with your business, you can keep it. The layout here, choose your favorite one. The background, okay. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the store section. So here you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your product or services. Now it will take you to this place here. Click new product. And as you see here, you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your product, add the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and also you can customize the prices options. You can add the description of your product, and after this you can just save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name, and the product image, and the product price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So the free shipping offer section. So here you can change all these sections here. So you can change this section, you can delete it and add your own section. You can keep it if you like it and if it's much with your business. So that's it. The design, choose your favorite design. I'm gonna just a simple one like this. Now let's go back. So the image, nothing special here. The description and add the tagline, and change your image if you don't like this one. You can keep it if you like it. So that's it. Choose your favorite layout. So now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so here in this section here, you can use this space to talk about your product or your business, your story of your business, why you start, and what makes you start, and why we, how your products are they made, and what makes them unique, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the customer reviews. So you can add the review checks here, the author name and the rating. So this is your job here. Choose whatever you like. Add your review checks, your favorite one. The same thing in the design. So choose your favorite design here. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. So nothing special here. Also here. So the same thing as normal, add the subtitle and the description and the image, the design. So that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. So here you can talk a little bit about your customers or your relationship with your customers. Now let's move on to the next section, the contact section. So for example, you can use this description here: we are always happy to see you. Okay, so now you can enter here your business address. You can enter the exact postal address or plus code. You can enter the daily hours. After this, enter the contact information and the social profiles. And the design, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the last section. So here you have to enter just your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. After you're done from designing and customizing your website, you can just publish it. Now you can start selling your site. It will be published. You can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.